In this video, we're going to have a look at some of the additional features you can use within sorting and filtering within a table. Okay, bear with me while I access my file. Okay, I've just got some information here about members of staff, the area they work in, the department, their actual position, salary, years of service, and dates of retirement. Okay, so if we were doing a straightforward, simple sort, we would highlight the whole table. From the Home tab, we can access the Sort and Filter option here. We would go into Custom Sort, and you can also access this from the Data tab. Okay, so Data, we have got sorting in here. Okay, I'm going back to the Home tab, Sort and Filter, Custom Sort. We would need to say that we have, bear with me till I get rid of these. I do beg your pardon, I've been playing about with this file. Okay, when you would come in to your Sort and Filter Custom Sort, it will look like this. We make sure we've got the My Data has headers ticked so that we're not going to get the column headings sorted within the range of the table. Okay, if we were just sorting on one field or one column, we would just pick it from here, sort by location, for instance. Okay, and then we would click on OK. We would be able to say whether we wanted it in ascending order, which is A to Z, or descending order, Z to A, by using the little drop down here. Okay. If we want to add another level, for instance, we might want to know location and department. Within that, we just click on Add Level, and then we would say Department, again A to Z, and click on OK. And you can see here that we've sorted first by location, and within location, again, alphabetically, by department. Okay, when you're in your sort, okay, your custom sort, the options button allows you to add some other features as well. For instance, case sensitive would, if you had any text, it would have the capitals coming after lowercase. Default orientation obviously is sorting top to bottom because we're going to be looking down a column. Okay, so we saw earlier how we can also delete a level, okay, because I hadn't deleted that out from the previous exercise. So if we wanted to get rid of department, we can just say delete level. Okay. We can also sort by coloured cells, okay. So we can see that within the salary column, okay, I have 4 shades of blue. Okay, so again, we've got the table highlighted, up into Sort and Filter, Custom Sort. Okay, and this time I want to sort, I'm going to delete that level again, I want to sort by salary. And instead of sorting on the cell values, we're going to be sorting on the colour. So when you click down, you have cell colour, you also have font colour, and some other options in there. We've got conditional formatting as well. Okay, so what order do I want? I want it to have the lightest first. I can copy the level to save me having to add and then pop in the same details again. So I can copy. This time I'll select the next shade of blue, copy again, the next shade of blue, copy again, and there we have the dark blue. Okay, so when I click on OK, it's ordered my my salary column basically in the shades of blue, okay, from light to dark. Okay, so that's how you can sort on more than one field and sort on other features, as for example the colour of the background. Okay, if we want to have a look at filtering, what filtering does is allows us to view only a subset of the data. Okay, for instance, we might only want to view on the screen only those employees in the marketing department. Okay, so again, it doesn't matter whether you've got the table selected or not. My table's still selected, so it doesn't matter, but you don't have to. So again, we can do this from the Home tab, Sort and Filter. Okay, you just click on the little funnel to filter. Okay, again, you can do this from Data menu option. Okay, and you will get the same functionalities. So Data. Okay, we've got the little filter. Okay, so personal choice. I tend to do everything from my Home tab if I can. So anyway, Sort and Filter. Click on Filter, and you can see what you get at the top of each column. Okay, the column headings, we've got a little drop down arrow. Okay, so let's say we want to have everybody, as I said, in the marketing departments. So in department, use the little down arrow, deselect all, and then click on marketing. It's as simple as that. and then we can view everybody who works just within the marketing department. Okay, we can also do a subsequent filter, and we might want to just know everybody who's a promotion assistant within the marketing department. Okay, incidentally, you can see the actual column or field that we have filtered by, because it has a little indicator next to the funnel. Okay, so again, let's click on position. Again, deselect all by taking the tick out of the box and click on promotion assistant, click on OK. So now we're only viewing those people who are working in the marketing department, who are promotion assistants. Okay, if we want to expand it out again, okay, just click on the filter icon. Okay, and that takes the filter back off. Okay, so within the sort and filter in the editing section, just take the funnel on or off. Okay, other options we can have, for instance, back into the salary field. Okay, we can look for just specific information here, as if we were doing a query in an Access database. Okay, so we can say filter again. When I click into salary, you can see here I could filter by colour again. Okay, just selecting the colour of blue. Okay, I'll take that off. Okay, we can also back into salary. We can go into number filters. Okay, and you get options. You can say specifically equaling a value, not equaling a value, greater than equal to, the top 10. Okay, so the top 10 items would reveal the top 10 items. Okay, back into filter, put it back on again, back into salary. We've also got, as I say, the number filters. I can say greater than or equal to. Okay, so I can say salary greater than or equal to 16,000 and less than or equal to 35,000. Click on OK, and it'll filter out that information for you. Okay, so there's quite a few different options in there that you can play about with. Okay, when we use the filtering, the auto filter from the home tab, or indeed from the data tab, okay, we are restricted to only searching or filtering on 2 criteria. Okay, within the data tab itself, okay, there is an advanced filter which allows you to apply multiple conditions, and you can also copy the results of the filter anywhere to another spreadsheet altogether, or anywhere else within the existing spreadsheet. Okay, so what we would need to do first of all is copy the field names, okay, or the column headings to another part of the spreadsheet. In fact, I'm going to take this filter off before we do that. Okay, so you just copy the column headings. I'm going to pop them into row 1. Just copy and paste. Okay, the only proviso that you've got here is that you must have at least one blank line between the table or the list, okay, and the column headings. Okay, so for instance, I would now type in the criteria that I want to filter out on. So I want to maybe filter out on location Edinburgh and Department of Sales. Okay, back into the list, okay, or the main table, all right? So I need to be in there anywhere at all with my mouse pointer. Okay, I need to get rid of this floating toolbar because I need to get to my data tab. Okay, so floating toolbar doesn't seem to want to move at the moment. Bear with me. Hallelujah. Okay, you can't see the floating toolbars, guys, I'm afraid, so I do apologise. Okay, so within the data tab, I've got an advanced filter option. Okay, so when I click on advanced, it brings up a little dialog box. Okay, so I can filter the list in place, or I can copy it straight away to another location. So the list range, okay, should be correct A6 to I28 because I had already clicked into the list. What we need to then do is change the criteria range. Okay, so I'm going to collapse that and make sure that I have got the criteria section selected. I can expand that back out again. And when I click on, sorry, not quite sure what happened there. When I click in here and click on OK, there we go. I have just got location of Edinburgh and department of sales. Okay, so very, very quickly, you can play about with filtering on more than one criteria. And again, to take it off, we just click on the filter icon again, and it pops it all back in again. Okay, so sorting and filtering. Thank you for watching.